In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an AquaFunded account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up here to aquafunded.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description for you to check out. From here, you should be looking something like this. And here you can see how it works. You can see the rewards, the affiliate program, the FAQ, get funded, and log in. From here, we'll need to get an account. And to do that, you simply need to click Get Funded over here, and then you'll be scrolled down automatically to Get Funded Today. From here, you'll see that you'll have several options to choose from. And here you can add instant, first step, two-step, or three-step funded account. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose instant, but this will also work the same ways like one step and two step and three step. From here, you'll also need to check out the standard or pro version. And from here, you'll need to check how much you want your funded account to be. So 2.5K, 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, or 200K. From here, when you're choosing that, you'll need to scroll down a little bit more where you can see an overview of your account. And you can see here the maximum daily loss, the maximum loss, average leverage, rewards, and the profit split. Down here, you'll also be able to see that you can get 50% off by using the welcome code. But here, you'll also be able to see how much money you'll need to buy it for. So AquaFunded take Visa, Maestro, which is Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, MasterCard, American Express, Apple Pay, all of the usual ones. So from now you'll need to click Get Funded, and here you can see again your order. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to select the platform, either MetaTrader 5, TradeLogger, MatchTrader, or CTrader, which will cost $15 extra. You'll also need to be aware that US residents can't use MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. Down here you can also add add-ons if you want to do that. And from here you'll need to add the customer information like your email, first name, last name, country, apartment, town, state, and so on. Down here, you'll also be able to enter a coupon where you can either copy it over here, also put a couple coupons linked down in the description, and click apply. From here, you can see the subtotal and how much you need to pay. From here, you'll need to click I have to agree and to the website and terms and condition, and then you'll need to add place order and then enter your credit card details or crypto details, and then pay for your challenge. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!